Mommy! Before we do anything, I need to go check the plants.
I can't wait.
Oh my god, Mom. They've reached about like 4 inches.
Huggy.
Crazy.
It's so crazy seeing you in real life.
Ivy, mom is finally home.
It's so crazy seeing Mommy in real life. Careful, Minnie, careful.
Alright, Millie, alright.
Millie, sit.
No, man.
Sit. Good
So hold on, she's more excited than you picnic then.
girl. I know.
No must see you, she says.
Wait, Mom, you cut your hair. Mom, you cut your hair?
Yes, I cut my hair. Hello, what's everything? Cute.
That's it, Mom's hair.
No must see Tami, Millie, I go over, go look for her. Where she there?
Mom, she was so well behaved, you know. Yeah, she wasn't even right in the middle of her mouth.
And Mom, when Momo sits in her key, she was walking.
Mom, did you see me with the music?
Yes.
That come look at fine.
I was going to color.
Aww. Why are you so
Okay.
hoarse?
Because I was screaming yesterday.
Why?
Because I was on the game.
Oh, Miracle.
Yeah, you were like,
Hey, little boy.
Taller than you know, mommy. Rough.
Millie almost
Watch
climbed
Millie.
up my chest. Whose chest as far as is that?
mine. I lost.
Take it down from there.
Yeah.
Well, of course I brought
That's
back
your
Dane.
hair.
Yes, you didn't see my hair? Oh yes, my hair.
You something here.
You did?
Yeah.
You look like you're England girl.
Oh,
I told you came back yesterday, right?
that's right.
See, then I told you she came back one day earlier.
Yeah.
She came back one day
In
earlier.
the country though.
Can
Can you guys help Dane to get my bags out of the car?
Sure.
Hi NTM, we just wanted to say thank you for all the well wishes. We read a lot of your comments and it was a magical day, and we just wanted, it was lovely. It was just absolutely lovely. It's like
all her dreams come true. No, we'd love to say thank you. We feel the love and the
we
blessings.
do feel the love, and
We
thank
are
you very
truly
much.
blessed.
Thank
Yeah.
you. So we're enjoying our lovely honeymoon in Jamaican. The sunshine.
See you soon. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Hey, boobs.
The dogs need go feed the dogs.
Huh?
Go feed the dogs.
Yeah. Okay, booby.
Come on.
What time is it?
8:87.
8:87?
Yeah.
Okay, booby. Alright. Sit. Apollo, sit. Apollo, sit. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
I'm playing with sugar
And flour?
no, and rice.
Oh, sugar and rice. What are you making?
Food.
Back in the building.
What's up?
Just like that. I'm home.
You cycle off back?
Yeah.
Or you sleep?
Slept well. That was my second night at home. And yesterday I had what I would call a very normal Saturday. Did all of my errands, all my up and down swimmings. Come on, Mama. I've been in matching pajamas, kind of.
love it. Twinning.
And
And,
we got same strawberry.
And cherries and watermelons, and I have sardines.
So what about Ozzy? Where's Ozzy?
Ozzy's asleep.
Still?
Jackson's asleep. The only one who's awake is Mr. who wants to go see Carnival today.
Are we going to?
Watch ya. My guy ready for the road.
Looking like a young Wayne Marshall.
Looking like a young Wayne Marshall. Wow. Nah, man, you're aura farming right now with that hairstyle. Bro, swag up. What you say, red t-shirt sort you out? So what that you for hold your plaits them together?
Yeah.
The sides.
Okay.
Let's take them off.
No, yeah.
Dog sleeping in durag.
Nice. We had to, we never want to shave down the sides, so we had to just take them down. If I can do some setting.
Nah, man. Glory's up. It's a young Wayne Marshall this star. What one? Gentleman say wow. Yeah. T-shirt sort you out.
Alright, for Carnival.
Alright. Calm down now, bro. Make it so hard.
You get him.
She said to me, I love sleeping beside you, Mom.
Yeah.
That one, like the middle of the night.
No, I should wake up. Morning, Mom. I love sleeping beside you, Mom. She wouldn't let me leave her an inch yesterday.
No.
If me are going to the bathroom, she'll come.
Yeah, man.
And as you can see now.
The champion, I'm mother, man. Watch out. Yeah, guys, so today is Carnival Day
Daddy.
Come, Eddie.
in Jamaica, and the boys have made it clear to me. Listen, Daddy, we're going on the road.
Hello.
Come, Eddie.
So, as usual, I always tell you, my father used to make it a tradition to carry us as kids out to Carnival, and
now
we would
it's
look
our
forward
turn.
to it.
No,
So-
now we need to follow that tradition.
Yeah, I'm keeping the tradition strong. I'm paying it forward in a sense, you know. But it's good for them to go out and experience the Carnival. It's they get to experience so much things in the one day. I mean, from the people reveling on the road and jumping. There's a little food, the vendors, that whole ecosystem that's created because
The
of
music.
Carnival Day. The music,
The music really have vibe.
the food.
And the girls dressed in very little clothes.
Who's looking at the girls? Who's looking at the
Only
girls?
the men that have a girlfriend that's dressing up in very little clothes. Huh?
Right. Okay.
I'll be home. I will miss out on the
Tell me,
cultural
why you
exchange.
don't come out though?
No, I'm gonna stay with Ivy and Oz. I don't feel
Yeah.
good about them. Ow!
No, well, Ivy and Oz are a little bit too young for it because trust me, it is. Yeah, the anxiety aspect of things is there too because the wave of people and.
I mean,
you have
like,
to
the
watch
only
the
reason
kids
that's
then.
scaring me is because, like, I've experienced it, like, 4 times before.
I don't think
No,
Oz
them man, they are
or
Carnival
Ivy.
veteran right now. Yeah, it's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. So we'll
Isn't it
go.
like 3+?
And I'm sure a lot of you guys want to see what I go on, some of the sights and some of the sounds. So we're going to take on out on the road. Don't worry yourself, okay? Cool. So, I'm going to drop Gio down by Pegasus, I think.
Oh, he's gonna meet them there.
Yeah, but it's just how to get there now, brother.
I'm
On
sure
the
you'll
road,
find a way, Dad.
Sure.
What about like Braemar side? Go back on yourself a little boy. I don't know, brother. Okay, you can't get into New Kingston.
A lot of the roads are blocked. Or maybe because it's early, they're not blocked, they say it.
Have fun. Anybody when we do? Atlas when we do?
Yeah.
Alright, we're good.
Nice. Boom it.
Fantastic.
Boom it, my G. Boom it.
Boom it.
That is it.
Bridge now. You need a bridge. Well, guys, here's the update. What time is it? Anybody know the time?
12:30.
It's 12:30 and I'm still in my pajamas, but I feel like I've done so much, including cleaning bathrooms. If you live with a bunch of boys, you know what that means. You have to do that. That is a daily task. That is not. Sometimes it's a twice daily task. But I just made a little spot at lunch. I had actually made a little breakfast for everybody this morning. We just had. What you had for lunch, Ivy? What was that?
Wings.
Wings, very good. Of course, she's in one of her little dresses that we got, and yeah, I'm feeling really tired now. Actually,
But
I
I'm
feel like-
feeling a little tired.
you are.
Yeah.
Do you need a nap?
Yeah.
Okay, feet off the couch, please.
Yeah.
So I was supposed to be with Millie, but I don't know if I have the strength, so that might have to be a tomorrow job. But I feel like I want to literally go lie down. I actually feel like I want to go bathe and go lie down, cause yeah.
Me too.
Yeah, right?
I want to go bathe.
And lie down?
I
I hear
wanna
Wayne
bathe.
sound like him don't really want to go on the road, but him gonna make a whole lot of promises that him have to keep now. So him promise the children and him promise Uno. Anyway, let me just go sort out myself. I'm tired. Wait,
She's
Hold on, look at it.
she's
You see how you have set me up?
yeah. Things come from foreign.
I so appreciate this.
Yeah.
I love it.
Things come from
It's just
foreign.
me.
It's so
It's just me. I don't tell you, no, it's just me. You know? Yes. So I can't wait for the occasion.
only you would know to put up just half of that.
Of
Look,
course.
excuse you.
Of course. We're not ordinary. We're special.
Bookie? What you calling my name for? You gonna wear it out?
I want you to vlog me playing my game.
Oh, good. You're the star of the show?
I want to do it again.
Why, so please. This so much, my love. Thank you. You're going on Carnival? Road march now?
Yeah.
Very. Remember the days when we couldn't miss it?
Yeah.
That's what
Yeah.
I'm saying. We're keeping up tradition.
We all go down to Marcel's office, sit down.
Oh my gosh.
Set up bar
On the
and
corner.
food and
gosh.
a duck.
Yeah.
Oh gosh, and watch it right from there on Hope Road.
Yeah.
Oh, several years.
But
we
now
did
it's
that.
so different because we dropped Gio earlier and he said that the roads are blocked. But
Because
Grandma
I-
said lot of cars.
Lot of cars coming from my house
Grandma's
to here.
way?
No, a lot of
Grandma
cars
used to
on
say
the
where
road.
she used to go all the time
Yeah, man.
to watch Carnival.
Yes, I would always go on a Sunday, eat that Carnival Sunday. Never jump yet though.
Them days they are kiddies carnival are going on Saturday.
I did go one
Kiddies was on a
You
Saturday.
jump in a
Yes,
kiddies
yes.
carnival?
one and only Carnival.
Them
Kiddies
dead.
was on a
Rebecca man,
Saturday.
make me do it.
Yeah.
For any of the kiddies? No, but I remember now I just mentioned
I
it.
would go look.
Yeah, kiddies was on a Saturday. On this Saturday before.
Yeah.
You are 12 years old?
Grandma never realized that this happening now.
He's turning 13 this year.
Gone left far.
12 years old.
12 years old and gone left far.
Boy,
That's a computer too.
Coming up too fast, you know.
Hold on.
You coming
Wait,
up too
stand
fast.
shoulder to shoulder.
Let me come back.
Wow, you guys have no coordination with you. Shoulder to shoulder. East Coast. You're always on East.
No, I wasn't doing that.
In a year, and little bit him gone.
Yes. Because I remember at graduation you were not anywhere near there.
Jaja.
He was not anywhere near there at graduation.
Alrighty, have fun.
Alright.
Take care of my children.
As the next year though.
Oh gosh. Ozzy, next time. Give daddy a kiss. Aww.
Give that.
Later.
Bye, guys. Bye. Later. Alright.
Okay.
Woo! Alright, guys, you ready for the adventure? You ready for the adventure, guys?
Yeah. Ready, remember, only me and Jackson are allowed to look at girls' butts. You are a married man. You don't even think about a girl's butt. Alright.
What is in my dying trail? No, man. No, man. Jesus, take the case and give me the pillar.
I will tell mommy, you know. I will tell mommy. Seen something.
I wonder if I left them, though, God.
From there.
I wonder if I left them.
What? Left who?
Drama this on the road today.
That's not funny, you know. That's real funny. It's
Anyway,
a comedian.
guys, you pray for me, yeah?
Professional comedian, though.
That is like a drama day. Back home, and then mommy, like a good mommy, like a good wife, and happy mommy is back. See, as you walk through the door, food is served.
Yeah.
You understand?
Well, like a good daddy, you took them to do the thing the good mommy did not want to do. So,
Teamwork, man.
teamwork, man.
Tag
But
team.
This good mommy made Andrew fall asleep, so
Oh no,
I'm in big mommy trouble right now.
oh no. Yikes, how long she sleeping?
It's time to wake up. Let's just put it that way. She made me watch a show and then she drop asleep.
Yeah.
I was like, I this is not right.
No, you have to
Guys, can you
when she
put
was asleep.
some of this?
Eat up first.